Hello all, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be explaining about the multiplication and division of binary numbers. I have included two typical examples under each topic which will be helpful for you in the examination point of view. In my previous video, I have explained subtraction and addition of binary numbers. I have done a few videos on logic design. Before going into the new topic, let us have a recap of what we have learned in the previous lectures. The topics that I have covered in the previous lectures are fundamentals of digital circuits, elements of digital logic, nines complement and tens complement, binary to decimal, decimal to binary, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and binary addition and subtraction. And also I have done a few videos on the solutions of the questions given in this slide. The link of all these videos have been given in the description box. Let us move on to the next topic, that is binary multiplication. For binary multiplication, the rule is 0 into 0 equal to 0, 1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 into 0 equal to 0, 0 into 1 equal to 0. So while multiplying two binary numbers, you have to follow this rule. Let us do this example of multiplication. Multiply 1101 to the base 2 by 110 to the base 2. So when you multiply two binary number, it is very simple. How you will multiply the normal numbers? A similar way we have to multiply these numbers. So 0, 1 is 0, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 0, 1 is 0. Then 1, 1 is 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1, 1 is 1, 1, 1 is 1. Next 1, 1 is 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1, 1 is 1, 1, 1 is 1. Add all these 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. So that the answer is, the final answer is 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is the final answer. Let us do another example. This is mixed numbers 1011.101 and 101.01. So this is a multiplication of mixed numbers. So let us take the first bit. First bit should be multiplied with all these. So 1 1 is 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1 is 1. Now with the next bit is 0. 0 has to be multiplied with all these bits. How many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can write 7 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Now which is the next bit? 1. So 1 1 is 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1 is 1. Now with the next bit again is 0. So you can write 7 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Now again last bit is 1. So I can write 1 into 1 is 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1 is 1. Now you have to add all these bits. So 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. Now this 1 plus this 1, 1 plus 1 is again 0 with 1 carry. Here you have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 carry plus 1 more 1. So what is that? 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. So you can write this as 0, and this 0 with 1 carry will go to the along with the next bit. Next bit is 1. So 1 0 plus 1 will give you 1 with 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is again 1 with 1 carry, plus one more 1 will give you 0 with 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. So write as 0 here. This 0 1 will go to the next, it will be added with the next bit, that is 1 0 plus 1 will give you 1 with 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 with 1 carry. So this is the final answer. 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now you have to separate the integer part and fraction part. For that you have to count how many digits, not digits, how many bits are there after this decimal. 5 bits are there, so you can put a decimal here. So this is your final answer. Separate the integer part. This is the integer part and this is the fractional part.
Let us move on to the next topic, binary division.
Here is the first example. Divide 101101 to the base 2 by 110. Here 110 is the divisor and 101101 is the dividend. So we have to divide 101101 with the divisor 110. So first we will check the first 3 bits 101. It doesn't go in the with the divisor 110. So we have to consider the first 4 bits and it will go one time with this divisor and the remainder is 101. Now we have to write the next bit along with the remainder and check how many times the divisor will go with this remainder. One time. Now you will get the remainder as 100. Write the next bit along with this remainder. It will go one time, 110. Here again the remainder is 11. Those who don't know subtraction can refer to my previous video on binary subtraction. I'll give the link in the description box. Now you have to write the next bit, that is 0, and put a point over here when you write this 0 along with this. One time it is divisible, 110. The remainder is 0. One time it is divisible. Therefore, you will get 101101 divided by 110 is equal to 111.1. This is the answer. Here is the second example. Divide 110101.11 to the base 2 by 101 to the base 2. The dividend is 110101.11 and the divisor is 101. So we have to check how many times the divisor 101 will go in the first 3 bits, that is 110. It will go one time. Now you have to find the remainder. Remainder will be 0, 1. You have to write the next bit along with this, but 101 does not go with 011. Therefore put a 0 there. Write the next bit, one more bit along with the remainder, so that you will get 0110, which will go one time. 101 will go one time with this dividend and the remainder will be 1. Write the next bit along with this 11. 11 is the remainder now. 101 does not go with this 11. So put a 0. Write the next bit also along with this, that is 111. Therefore now the 101 divisor 101 will go one time with this dividend, and the remainder is 1 0. Now write the next bit along with this remainder. You will get 101. 101 will go one time with this dividend, and you will get the remainder as 0. Therefore, 110101.11 divided by 101 is equal to 1010.11. This is the answer.
Thanks for your time.